in Middle Tennessee, western Pickett County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Smith County in Middle Tennessee, northern Jackson County in Middle Tennessee, Clay County in Middle Tennessee, Macon County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:39 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles west of Tompkinsville to near Red Boiling Springs to near Hartsville, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lafayette, Livingston, Salina, Gainsboro, Beardstown, Hartsville, Red Boiling Springs, Whitleyville, Moss, McPherson, Pleasant Shade, Dale Hollow Lake, Standing Stone State Park, and Bowles. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. The National Weather Service